How to log in to Bumble account with Apple ID. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into Bumble account with Apple ID. Bumble is an online dating and networking application launched in 2014. Profiles of potential matches are displayed to users who can swipe left to reject a candidate or swipe right to indicate interest. Now, you want to open the Bumble application on your device. If you are on your iOS device, you're going to find the option of Continue with Apple. All you want to do is tap on that option. Now you will have to enter your Apple ID credentials, or you can also use your Face ID. Once you have verified your Apple credentials, you will be successfully logged into your Bumble account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.